Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking. Today, Boyan Dulabic here. So, how good is a $25 video light? Well, let's find out. So this is the Neewer PT-176S LED light. It is a small video LED light that costs about $25. It is daytime balanced for 5600K. And yes, you guessed it, the 176 stands for 176 LED lights, which is what this little thing has. When it comes to the hardware, it has a knob on the back to adjust the brightness with an LCD display, and the brightness goes all the way from 10 to 99. It has an AC input, so you don't need batteries. The adapter is sold separately, so that's something to keep in mind. Unfortunately, there is no battery indicator, so there's no way of knowing when the battery will be completely empty. It's a good idea to have multiple batteries with you on hand, just in case. There's a 1/4-inch mount at the bottom, which allows the light to be attached to a tripod or light stand. The hot shoe also allows the light to be mounted on top of a camera, and it can also be detached completely. When it comes to batteries, this one takes the Sony NP batteries, which is very common with newer products. This does come with two color filters. One is white that basically acts like a diffuser and it softens shadows, and one is orange that gives you a 3200K white balance. The diffuser does make a difference, although it's not as good as a softbox, it's better than nothing. And the orange filter does change the white balance to 3200K, which is great if you need to match your light to your environment. The one thing I wish was different about this light is that it's very difficult to put a softbox on it because of how thin the actual light is. I've only been able to attach the softbox once, and once I took it off, I have not been able to do it again. So it's clear this model was not designed to be used with a softbox. Now, all in all, this is a great and very powerful, small, inexpensive light. It's powerful enough to be used as a key light, depending on what you are lighting, and having the AC input option makes this light a lot more useful when you need to use it for hours and don't want to switch out batteries. The color filters that it comes with are great, and while I wish I could put on a softbox, the white filter still does an okay job, and certainly much better than not having it at all. As always, links to everything here will be in the description. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell icon to be notified of future videos. And if you want to see more videos on different lights, different lighting setups, and just everything lights, stay tuned. I will be doing more of those types of videos. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Thanks.